If you want to add a countdown on Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a countdown timer using a free widget tool, copy the code, and then add it cleanly into your Squarespace site. This is a great way to build urgency for a sale, launch a Widgets, event, or limited time offer, and you do not need to be a developer to do it. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to a free widget platform like Elfsight Countdown Timer. Once the page loads, you'll see different countdown styles and layout options. The first thing to do is choose the visual style that matches your website best. You might pick a top floating banner if you want it to appear at the top of the page, a centered card if you want it to stand out in the middle, or an inline box if you want it to blend naturally into your page layout. The style you choose depends on how visible you want the timer to be and where you want your visitors to focus. After that, set your target end date and time. This is the exact moment when the countdown should finish, so make sure you choose the correct date for your promotion, launch, or deadline. Then select your specific time zone. This part is very important because if the time zone is wrong, your countdown may end too early or too late for your audience. Once that is set, customize the timer labels. You can usually change the wording for days, hours, minutes, and seconds, as well as the heading text above the countdown. This helps the widget match your brand and makes the message much clearer for your visitors. Next, set the zero action. This controls what happens when the timer reaches zero. For example, you can choose to hide the widget completely, or you can display a message like sale over, offer ended, or event closed. This is a very useful setting because it lets your page automatically update when your deadline passes without you needing to go back and make manual changes. Once everything looks good, click Publish or Add to Website. If prompted, select the free plan tier. Then click Copy to save the generated HTML and JavaScript code snippet to your clipboard. This code is what you'll paste into Squarespace in just a moment, so keep it ready. Now log into your Squarespace dashboard. From your website editor, click Edit in the top left corner of the page where you want the countdown to appear. Scroll to the exact section where you want the timer to display. If you want it above a product offer, below a headline, or inside a landing page section, choose that area carefully so the countdown is easy to notice. Next, click Add Block. Squarespace will show you a menu of block elements. From that list, select Code. This is the block you need because it allows you to insert custom HTML and JavaScript from the widget platform. After the code block appears, click and drag the edges of the new blue code box grid boundaries to position and size the section exactly how you want it. This helps you make the countdown look neat and properly aligned on the page. Then double-click the code block container or click the pencil icon to open the advanced pop-up settings panel. Inside that box, erase the placeholder text, usually something like "Hello World," so the code area is completely empty. This step matters because you want to paste only the countdown widget code, not any sample text. Now paste your copied code snippet directly into the large black text box. Once the code is in place, save your changes and preview the page. If everything is set up correctly, your countdown should appear on the Squarespace page and begin counting down immediately based on the date, time, and time zone you selected. If the timer is not showing exactly how you want, go back and check the widget settings, the placement of the code block, and the width of the section. Sometimes a small layout adjustment makes the countdown look much better. You can also return to the widget platform later to edit the style, colors, or finish action and then copy the updated code again. And that's it. You now know how to add a countdown on Squarespace using a free widget tool and a simple code block. This is one of the easiest ways to add urgency and improve conversions on your website. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.